Listen, everyone wants to look good in a jacket. It's that classic aesthetic physique we're all after. But there's so much noise out there, so many programs and exercises promising the world. It can get confusing, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't need to spend hours in the gym or master a million moves to build a physique that turns heads. You just need the right ones. And that's exactly what I'm giving you today. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's it? Just 5 exercises? Listen, I'm all about efficiency. These movements give you the most bang for your buck, targeting multiple muscle groups and stimulating growth. We're breaking down the 5 essential exercises for that coveted jacket physique. No fluff, no gimmicks, just science-backed movements and the why behind their effectiveness. So let's ditch the confusion and build some muscle. Number 1, deadlift. We're starting with the king of all exercises, the deadlift. And trust me, it's earned that title. This movement isn't just about picking heavy things up off the floor, it's about building real-world functional strength that translates to every aspect of your life. Think about it. How often do you bend down and pick something up? The deadlift strengthens that entire chain from your grip to your back, glutes, and hamstrings. It's a full-body exercise masquerading as a back exercise. When you deadlift, you're activating your traps, lats, erectors, those muscles running along your spine, glutes, hamstrings, the list goes on. This study from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research actually showed that deadlifts elicited greater muscle activation in the lower back compared to exercises like back extensions. Now, a strong back doesn't just look good in a jacket, it improves your posture, protects your spine, and gives you that powerful V-taper we're after. Plus, the hormonal response from deadlifts is off the charts. We're talking increased testosterone and growth hormone, which means more muscle growth overall. Don't be intimidated by the deadlift. Start light, focus on form, and watch your strength and physique transform. Remember, we're not just lifting weights here, we're building a foundation for a powerful and aesthetic physique. Number 2, bench press. Let's be honest, a well-developed chest is a staple of an aesthetic physique. It's what makes the jacket fit so damn good. And when it comes to building a chest that pops, the bench press reigns supreme. This classic exercise targets your pectoralis major, the muscle group that gives your chest its size and shape. But it's not just about pushing the weight up and down. The bench press also works your anterior deltoids, front shoulders, and triceps, contributing to that balanced, proportional look we're after. Research in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research has shown that the bench press activates the pecs more than similar exercises like push-ups. This increased activation leads to greater muscle protein synthesis, the process by which your body builds muscle. But here's the key: proper form is paramount. Don't just ego lift, control the weight, feel the muscles working, and focus on that mind-muscle connection. A study in the Journal of Sports Sciences found that focusing on contracting the pecs during the bench press led to greater muscle activation and strength gains. Remember, building a head-turning chest takes time and consistency. So be patient, stay dedicated, and watch as the bench press helps you sculpt a chest that makes a statement. Number 3, lat pull downs, carving that wide, powerful back. Now, let's talk about building that crucial V-taper. And to do that, we need to develop a wide, powerful back. That's where lat pull downs come in. This exercise primarily targets your latissimus dorsi, the large muscles that span the width of your back. Developing your lats not only gives you that sought-after V shape, but also improves posture and overall upper body strength. The lat pull down is a fantastic way to isolate and engage your back muscles. By pulling the bar down towards your chest, you're creating a strong contraction in your lats, helping to build width and thickness. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research compared lat pull-downs to other back exercises and found that lat pull-downs elicited the highest level of latissimus dorsi activation. But here's the thing: don't just pull with your arms. Think about pulling with your elbows, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the bottom of the movement. This ensures that you're targeting your lats effectively and avoiding excessive bicep involvement. Remember, building a powerful back goes beyond aesthetics. It improves your posture, supports your spine, and enhances your overall athleticism. So, make lat pull-downs a staple in your routine and watch your back transform. Number 4, chin-ups. Before moving on, if you are finding any value in this video, all I ask is for a quick like and subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss the topics we will cover in upcoming videos. When it comes to building a strong and defined upper body, Few exercises can rival the chin-up. This challenging yet rewarding movement targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it a true bang for your buck. Think about it. You're using your own body weight as resistance, pulling yourself up until your chin clears the bar. This requires incredible strength and coordination from your back, biceps, and core. Primarily, chin-ups target your latissimus dorsi, those same muscles we talked about with lat pull downs. But they also heavily engage your biceps, giving your arms that impressive peak. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that chin-ups elicited greater muscle activation in the biceps compared to exercises like barbell curls. But here's the secret to unlocking the true power of chin-ups. Focus on the negative portion of the movement. Lower yourself down slowly and in a controlled manner, resisting gravity every inch of the way. This eccentric contraction creates more muscle damage, leading to greater growth and strength gains. Remember, chin-ups can be challenging, especially when you're starting out. Don't be afraid to use assistance bands or machines to help you complete the movement. The key is to be consistent, gradually increase your reps, and watch as your upper body transforms. Number 5, overhead press. We're talking about building a physique that turns heads, and that means no muscle group gets left behind. We've covered the back, chest, and arms, but now it's time to shift our focus to the shoulders. Specifically, the overhead press. The overhead press is a fundamental compound exercise that targets all 3 heads of your deltoids: the anterior, front, lateral, middle, and posterior, rear delts. Developing well-rounded shoulders not only enhances your physique, but also improves your posture and upper body strength. When you press weight overhead, you're not only working your shoulders, but also engaging your triceps and core muscles for stability. This makes the overhead press a fantastic exercise for building overall upper body strength and power. Research published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research has shown that the overhead press elicits high levels of muscle activation in all 3 heads of the deltoids, making it a superior exercise for overall shoulder development. Now here's the key to maximizing your overhead press. Control the weight throughout the entire movement. Avoid using momentum or jerking the weight up. Instead, focus on a slow and controlled ascent and descent, squeezing your shoulders at the top of the movement. Remember, building impressive shoulders takes time and dedication. Be patient, stay consistent, and watch as the overhead press helps you sculpt shoulders that complete your physique. If you want to know the best ways to triple your testosterone naturally, check out the video on the top right corner. After all, your fitness gains are strongly correlated to optimum testosterone levels. It's about more than looks. So there you have it, the 5 fundamental exercises that lay the groundwork for a truly aesthetic physique. Remember, we're not just chasing a look here. We're building strength, power, and a body that moves as good as it looks. But don't mistake simplicity for ease. These exercises require dedication, proper form, and progressive overload. You need to challenge yourself consistently, pushing your limits and increasing weight or reps over time. That's how you build a physique that's more than just skin deep. Now get to work.